Hey y'all, Mike here from allamerican.org, and today we're talking about vacuum cleaners made in the USA. So vacuum cleaners are obviously a necessary home appliance, and when it comes to American manufacturing, there are still some good options for vacuum cleaners that are made in the US. Now they are a bit more of a complex household appliance because of the electrical components and stuff like that go into a vacuum cleaner. So all of the brands that I'm mentioning today are assembled in the US using a lot of domestically sourced components, but unfortunately some of the components that are in vacuum cleaners are just flat out unavailable from a lot of American suppliers. So just know that going into your research that you're likely not going to find a vacuum cleaner that is 100% made and sourced in the US, but like I said, there's still some really great options for American manufacturing. Now I have a lot more context on material sourcing, labeling, as well as some other brands that I'm not mentioning in today's video in our written research on vacuum cleaners made in the USA, which I'll put a link to in the description below, as well as the cards at the top of the video. We're also going to be covering a wide variety of vacuums, so if you need something that is more of a traditional home vacuum or something that is more commercial grade, we're going to cover the entire spectrum in this video. So let's dive into these great American-made brands, starting with Kirby. Kirby's based in Cleveland, Ohio, and they got started in 1906, pretty immediately making a big name for themselves in the vacuum space. Fast forward to today, and all of their vacuums are still assembled in the US. Now, like I mentioned, they do use some domestic and internationally sourced components, but they remain very dedicated to American manufacturing, and everything's assembled here. Next up is Intervac Design Corp. These folks are based in Palm City, Florida, and are all about built-in vacuum systems. Intervac can directly install a vacuum anywhere in your home. So if you want something in your garage or in your closet, in your living room or something like that, these guys can accommodate it. All of their vacuum systems are made in Florida and thoroughly tested before they leave the facility. Next up is Mosquito. Mosquito is based in Huntington Beach, California, and focuses on making commercial grade vacuums. These guys are really dedicated to American manufacturing. We were doing some research on their brand and found that 92% of their products are made in the US. They even have some backpack vacuums, and their battery-powered backpack vacuum is made in the US using over 90% American-sourced materials, which is great to see. So if you need more of that heavy-duty commercial-grade vacuum, Mosquito is a great option. Next up is VacuFlow. VacuFlow is based in Louisville, Ohio, and is another really good option for a central home vacuum system. All of VacuFlow's systems are made in Ohio across 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities that total over 300,000 square feet. So check them out if you're looking for a central vacuum system. And then one more to call out that also makes central vacuum systems is MD Central Vacuum, so another good American-made option there. Next up is Absolute Air Cleaners. These guys are founded in 1989 and make vacuum cleaners and air purifiers. If you're looking for a HEPA vacuum cleaner, these guys are a really good option. Their HEPA vacuums are all made in the US and last over 35 years, according to their team. And the last brand I'll mention in today's video is Ricker. These guys are based in Fenton, Missouri, and not all of their vacuum cleaners are made in the US. We checked with their team, and there are just a few models that are made in America. So just checking my notes here, we have the R10, the R30, and the R40 series are all assembled in the US using both domestically sourced as well as internationally sourced components. So they can be a decent option if you really like some of their models. Just make sure to stick to those few that I called out for the stuff that's made in America. Alrighty y'all, leave a comment below if you have any questions, you want to give it a shout out to any brands that I missed, or have any questions about other brands. And like I mentioned before, this is not all of the vacuums that we found that are made in the US. All of our written research is on allamerican.org, that link in the description below, as well as the cards at the top of the video. As always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American made. See y'all next time.